On the left, the apps. Just look how they fill up the screen nicely. This is my iPhone SE 2020. And my mom is cooking in the kitchen. They're big boy buttons. I do prefer the way they fill up the screen. Easier on my eyes. To get this configuration, first you need to remove the bottom rows. All of them. Next, hit the gear button. Scroll down. It's in the display and brightness. Scroll again. It's in view under display zoom. You'll see the animation describing how they look in standard and zoomed. Go from standard to zoomed and confirm use zoomed. And wait a second, the screen goes blank and voila. Nice. I like it. However, you may want to change the font size. Go back by hitting the gear button, scroll down to display and brightness, then text size, and however you want. I like mine a little bigger. Again, easier in my eyes. There. Yeah, nice. Calendar. Nice. Nice. See. Yeah. Cool. Thanks everybody. Yeah, thanks for watching.